What's up? What's up? It's your girl Layla Page. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Welcome to my crazy life. Please don't forget to subscribe for updates and notifications. Love ya. All right, we are in Oceanside at the new Dave's Hot Chicken that just opened up about a month or so ago. And we're gonna see if it's worth it. Let's see. Just wrapped outside. So they better be pretty cool. Oh, we better. Yeah, I'll start conversation. Yeah, look at that. So this is my first time at Dave's Chicken. It might be my last because they have a lot of people in a long line. So I hope it's good. So after about a 15 to 20 minute wait, I finally have my Dave's Hot Chicken. So let's see if it is worth the long line. And luckily I got there right before the line got long. I was second in line. And then my dumb ass left my wallet in the car. But somebody else paid for my meal. Now that was so sweet. But I still ran to the car to get my wallet. Got back, had a breath, and the meal was paid for. Look at God. After the long anticipated wait, let's see what it tastes like. So, I never do a food reaction, but we're gonna do one today. It just tastes like chicken. Nothing too special. Kind of spicy.
That's medium.
Right, the secret sauce tastes like ranch, a little bit of hot sauce, and something else. I can't put my finger on it. I got two spices. I got medium and hot. Medium is cool. It's medium. Hot? Where's the Wawa? After eating that chicken, I'm sweating. I'm hot. I had to get out of my jacket. That chicken ain't no joke. It ain't no joke. And I went on hot. Man, what if I went to the top spice level? I'd probably be sick. It's not for the weak. Not for the weak. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to spread love and light. Love, Layla. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for notifications of new videos.